In this video, I'll show you where to get coupons for Noon. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, open up any web browser, go to Google, and then inside the Google search box, type in vouchers for Noon, then search for that. And now if we scroll down the Google search results, we got different third-party sites like Coupon Follow, Real Tell Me Not, Worth the Penny, etc. So we can use any one of these third-party sites to access coupon codes, discount codes. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Coupon Follow because it's a great site to get coupons or promo deals. These sites do change daily or weekly for different offerings, so just come back every so often, and also keep an eye out to make sure the coupon code is still active as well, because every now and then they do expire, or they all expire at some point in time. So for this demonstration, you can see here in Coupon Follow, you got all these different offers: 15% off, $50 off, 50% off, etc. So to activate any one of these deals, I'm going to click on the 50% off your order. So I'm going to click onto this, I'm going to click on the copy, and I'm going to paste this code at the checkout section of Noon to enjoy 50% off my order. Or you can just simply click here, redeem at Noon.